Hello, yeah, my name is Olakunle Tayo Obademi, and this is my CSE 310 Module 3. I build a routine expense data manager using Python and SQLite. This program, because I'm a potential aspiring software developer, I have decided to design something that I can use to keep my record of my expenses and to-do list. I love to keep hard copy of what I do every time. And as I acquire these skills, I feel the need to build something that I can use digitally to save my to-do list. So this program stores everyday expenses in a relational database. It has two related tables. One is the expense and the other one is the categories. For example, an expense like bus fare can belong to the transport category. Okay, so I will run the demo now, and this demo would automatically show the main database actions. A SIG sample expense list expenses, add a new demo expenses, update it, search through categories, filter by date range, show category summary, and all that. As you can see, here we can see all the expenses join with their category. The program is not just storing text, it is reading related data from two databases. This summary uses SQL aggregate functions. It counts expenses, add total spending, calculate the average expenses amount for each category. I would run the interactive section version also. As you can see, it gives me the option to add expenses, to list all expenses and do all that. So if I click on one, it's going to add sample data if the database is empty. So I'm adding one, and it's saying choose an option one, sample data is ready. And if I choose option 3, for instance, this will list all the expenses, as you can see here. And if I decided to do, say, options 2, where I would have the opportunity to add a new expense, is asking me for the description of the expense. I'm going to use water bottle, and it's going to ask for the amount. I'm going to use 3.5, and it's going to ask me for the category. It's going to ask me for the category. I'm going to say personal care. Personal care. And it's going to ask me for the date and then the notes that I want to keep. The date 2026 06 10. And it's going to ask indeed for classes. So it has been added into the database, and I can as well choose to update by picking option 6. It's asking for the ID, and the ID for the water bottle that we just created is 19. Is asking the new amount. The initial amount that we have there is $3.5, and now I want to make it 4. Now it has updated and the new amount that is updated is now 4. I would also choose option 8, where I can delete the same item that I created and I've been able to update, and now I want to delete, and it would also ask for the ID to be able to do this. And remember that the ID is 19. And as you can see that the expense has been deleted. We can continue like that and like that. And of course I can use option 0 to exit the program. As you can see, the options has been exited and it has bid me goodbye. Now I will run you through some of my code. And this is my file structure. This is my database, my routine expense database. This is where it's kept. And this is my app.py, which serve as the household where I kept majority of the logic that went into this. And now, moment, okay. This is where the database is stored, and this connects Python to the SQLite database. And also this creates the relationship between the expenses and the category. And of course, this help to start SQL command that add new expenses. And this connects both the table so that the program can show the category names with each expenses. And of course, this count how many expenses are in each category. This project meet the requirements because it creates relational database. It uses related tables, insert data, queries, data, update data, delete data, and use join, and uses aggregate SQL function. Thank you for watching.